po ito ngayon live, Gigit. Magandang hapon sa'yo.
Magandang hapon sa iyo dyan at magandang hapon po sa taga-tangkilik ng Survivor Philippines.
Wow.
So, GMA.
Alright, Gigit, ako talagang nag-interview sa'yo ngayon dahil suki ako ng Survivor. Ayan, kilala ko kayong lahat. So, hindi na ako papaligoy-ligoy pa. Ako yung na-surprise last Friday na ikaw ang na-vote out. Ikaw ba na-surprise ka rin ng bonggang-bongga?
Ako rin.
Alright.
Actually, yung given yung sitwasyon sa tribe na yon, alam ko naman hindi ako favored eh. But at the same time, I was thinking na kung i-vote out nila ako, it will be much later on. Dahil if you do the math, meron pang series of elimination periods bago magkaroon ng tribe merging. So, I was looking at 9 days. 9 days para pakinabangan nila ang competitive advantage of me being within the tribe. So I was thinking about that logic. Kasi yung alliance naman, they have the controlling block dun sa tribe. So whether I am a threat to them or not, regardless yun eh, I cannot do anything. So they might as well make use of me because I was still muscle for the tribe.
Yeah, precisely. At ako din nagulat dahil
Exactly.
isa ka sa strongest ng Jalakay tribe. Bakit sa palagay mo ikaw ang binote out?
They were more threatened than perhaps una-una, they probably did not do as much thinking as they should on a strategic level. Kasi para sa akin, it doesn't matter so much kung matibay ang alliance mo, pero kung hindi matibay ang tribe mo, you don't really have much.
Precisely, lalo
ngayon, be a strong Jalakay.
Earlier stage pa lang ng competition, parang na-out na yung one of the strongest sa team ninyo or sa tribe ninyo. Pero ikaw, sino sa palagay mo ang dapat na-vote out? Is it safe to say na si Patani dahil siya yung binoto mo?
Prior naman dun sa botohan na yon, pinag-usapan na rin namin, thinking na kasama nga ako sa alliance, is that si Patani, well, don't get me wrong, love ko si Patani, okay? Personally speaking,
I love her
fan
so
ako ni
much.
Patani, alright?
Sobra.
But anyway, dun sa pillow fight, ang feeling ng tribe was that hindi siya masyado nag-effort to really help the tribe win. So, parang yun ang naging consensus.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sa prangkana, Gigit, sino sa palagay mo yung namuno para ikaw ang mapatalsik instead of sino ba yung naboto? Except kailang ata ni Patani yung nung Friday.
Yeah.
At isa lang ang bumoto kay Patani and that was
ako yun.
So gusto kong malaman sino sa palagay mo yung namuno na ikaw ang iboto. Kasi yung mga napanood namin nung Friday, parang lahat si Patani. So all along, kami rin mga televiewers at suki ng Survivor, akala namin si Patani yung mabovote out.
Yeah.
So we were all surprised, like you, na ikaw pala yung na-vote out. Sino yung namuno?
Well, I was led to believe na si Patani nga, no? Pero as far as kung sino yung namuno, sino yung nag-conspire,
someone na,
I could imagine. Hindi na ako nag-speculate. And to me, it really doesn't matter. Parang para sa akin, ang the main objective is to stay within the game, and yung pagiging voted out by way of deception, by way of betrayal, it's all within the landscape of Survivor eh. So, to me, it's part of the game.
Oh, gusto ko yung sinabi mo kanina na parang hihina yung Jalakay tribe. So, ano bang mensahe mo sa Jalakay tribe ngayon na wala ka na you're one of the strongest?
Alright. By voting me out too early, nawala ang competitive advantage. And that weakens the tribe, that weakens Jalakay, and with the weak tribe, even a strong alliance will not fare that well. Parang you won't really have something strong kung natatalo kayo sa immunity challenges at nagka-cannibalize kayo. So, I hate to see na dumating sa ganon, na maubo sila magkainan, simply because they're not working, they don't have a strong tribe to begin with.
Alright. So sa palagay mo, basically, ikaw ang binota dahil you're one of the strongest at threat ka sa kapwa mo, Jalakay tribe mate. Parang ganun ba yan?
Yun ang assumption ko.
Alright. So pakiimbita mo na, Gigit, ang ating mga kapuso na tulad ko na nanonood ng Survivor Philippines gabi-gabi. Invite them.
Mga kapuso, unang-una po, maraming pasasalamat sa pagtangkilik nyo sa Survivor Philippines, GMA's most ambitious, most expensive project to date. At huwag niyo pong kaliligtaan, meron pong special double elimination sa Tribal Council. So huwag niyo pong kaliligtaan, Monday, pagkatapos po ng Team Samsun, meron pa hong isang castaway na mabovote out.
Oo, nagulat din ako dyan. Yun yung tineaser after your episode, after ka mapauwi, na meron pong isa. Na kaya tutukan nyo lang po yan, mga kapuso, tulad ng pagtutok ninyo sa Kim Samsun gabi-gabi. Ito na po ang huling linggo ng Kim Samsun. So, tutok lamang po, simula yan bukas hanggang sa Friday. Samantala, bili kayo ng S Magazine, cover si Chad at si Ding Dong. Ang ganda. At ito ba ang dapat nilang tutukan, Gigi, ha? Si Robert Ortega, na isang actor-politician, ay tinutukan di umano ng barel. Wow! Watch this.